have my New York moment, taking a taste of my own culture. Everybody says you haven't been in New York, you haven't had a real bagel until you've had Zabars. So here I am, I gotta try it. I'm bringing home some arugula, some black and white cookies. I'm trying to have, you know, the authentic, real experience here. So here you go, this is Zabars, where supposedly they have the best bagels and black and white cookies in all of New York. And those bagels are supposed to be better than the ones in San Diego. And I don't know if I believe it, but we will find out soon. All right, so here we are. I got my lox bagel and cream cheese sandwich, and let's find out if it's as good as they say it is. It is good. Okay, so it is a good bagel. That is a very, very good bagel. I think I would need to do a side-by-side with our San Diego bagels, but this bagel is considerably better than the other bagels I've had in New York so far, so I will give it that. So all in all, jury's still out whether this is better than California, but it is a very, very good bagel.